Hey everyone, I'm Anna Berry in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine and Julie, the Executive Director of TSET. All right, so we are making a pumpkin seeds pesto, or what some people call pepitas. So tell us about it, Chef.
Okay, so we're making this pesto because it's a little bit healthier and a lot more affordable than a traditional pesto, which has pine nuts, which are very expensive, Parmesan cheese, and we're going to sub out some nutritional yeast for that because it does have that nutty, cheesy flavor. It's still going to have olive oil, and we're using parsley and a small amount of basil instead of all basil because it can be very expensive. Now, in the summertime, and you have a basil plant, use all basil, right? Okay, and some garlic. And so I'm gonna go right in the food processor. And if you're totally old school and you have like a mortar and pestle or a machete, then you can get busy on that. But if you're lazy like me, then you're gonna do this. So you're gonna go right in with some roasted pepitas, pumpkin seeds, some garlic, and I'm just gonna keep buzzing along here if you guys wanna.
Yeah, well, let's talk a little bit about that nutritional yeast too. I use nutritional yeast in everything, and it does have that cheesy flavor.
It does. And so I'm going to blend this a little bit. Well, if I can remember how to work the food processor. Here we go. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to add a couple more ingredients to this, and then we're going to blend again. But this is some lemon juice and lemon zest. It's going to give it that really, obviously, zesty, lemony flavor. We're going to go in with this kind of sad-looking basil.
Winter basil.
Right, but it's still green, it still works. And then we're going to go in with a lot of parsley. I'm going to go ahead and pull off just the very bottom of the stems there, maybe break it in half again. I'm going to blend again. Okay, we're going to pour this olive oil in now. Okay, that really is all there is to it. Okay, easy peasy if you have a food processor, right?
You have inspired me to get a food processor because not only does that look easy to do, but it seems like something my daughter will love to do, to get involved, rip those herbs, put it in here, great after school snack. And that's exactly what you guys are all about at TSET. Julie, tell us a little bit about it and the Shape Your Future initiative.
Sure. TSET is the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, and we are a state agency that makes grants to improve health and reduce the toll of tobacco. And one of our programs is Shape Your Future. So it is, how do we help add vegetables to our meals? How do we make it easy to have very healthy things with lower budget or, not have to break the bank to be healthy? And I think that's what a lot of these resources show on shapeyourfutureok.com.
Right, and snacks is a big opportunity to add the nutrients in. This is going to be a great after-school snack or just a healthy mom snack, what I need every day. And what I love about it is we can add it to some whole wheat pasta. You can you can spread out the meal throughout the week.
Right, so this is going to be you're going to use this in a lot of different ways. You can use it as a dip. You could actually add some more lemon juice or vinegar and make a salad dressing out of this, which is really delicious. Obviously the pasta, so you guys can have a little try if you would like to.
It smells great.
It does. Let's jump in. Great. Okay.
So bright. It's got a lot of lemony. It's very herbaceous or herbal with all of the parsley, and you can switch those herbs in and out a little bit too.
So make this recipe at home and for your family and your friends. Check it out. And other recipes, ajrh.com. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.